If you are responsible for a network of buildings or stores, you probably invest a lot of money to get them clean so that they look good consistently across your entire portfolio. But sometimes the reality is that the cleaners are unsupervised and not as invested as you want them to be. Wouldn't it be great if you could see the cleaning results of every site, every day without having to visit it? This would allow you to reduce supervision costs and increase the cleanliness of your sites. Because everyone is more accountable when the results of their work are being monitored. Introducing FotoFinish. Cleaners use the FotoFinish app, which mandates that they capture the results of their work execution every day upon shift completion. But of course, we don't want to have cleaners selectively taking pictures of the areas they would like to capture. So the app actually prescribes the photos that have to be taken. Additionally, to ensure the cleaners can never anticipate what photos will be requested, supervisors upload many photos at the onset that then become the picture bank which the app draws from. Photos taken by the cleaners validating their work are then instantly shared with supervisors who get this critical visibility. Knowing these photos are being reviewed by their supervisors drives the behaviors and outcomes you desire. You also have the option of having your photos sent to a third party that will validate each photo according to your predefined standards. Then, you and your supervisors can receive consolidated reporting and get full access to the library of work validation photos with a simple click. In essence, the app allows supervisors to remotely execute spot inspections of all of their sites. This keeps their cleaners accountable, yielding reduced supervision costs while improving the cleaning results.